If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in granite crystal metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 7,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number P9034.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.